Hey dump truckers, Dominique here. So it is currently 7:08 a.m. Remy and I have a plan to do, it's a one solo load delivery to a house, but for a business. So it's a home delivery, but not. I'm just waiting for him to wake up so we can go. Quick note here though, guys, I am guessing that most of you saw what happened to Tim Gentry at Gentry and Sons Trucking. If you haven't yet, I'm gonna link his video below, and I'm also gonna link his GoFundMe. If you guys can help him out in any way, at least give him a view to help him re-establish his shop and hopefully not have to sell any more trucks because he already lost a bunch in a fire. So if you guys haven't heard what happened to him, definitely check it out below. Let's go down and unhook the trailer, then we'll come back up and wake Rem up. I agree, Remy. I agree. Okay, dude. Well, you ready to hit the road, bud? Whoops. Which side do I have on? Oh, that one. Okay. Ready? Headlights on because it's still pretty dark out. Trouble getting up on the asphalt there, bud. Are you living your best life? Okay. Remy and I are supposed to be making our delivery at 9 a.m. So we are just leaving the house. It is 8. Took me a little bit to get Remy up. He was pretty tired. So he was up a lot last night. Huh, buddy? He normally sleeps through the night, but last night, no. Wasn't happening, which is fine. Part of being two. Yeah, 2. Alright, we're just gonna pull in here and get a lightweight. The scale is so wide, it's crazy. if I have a resale certificate on file with you guys. No? Okay. Can I email you one?
Yep.
But, okay.
Yep. So 10 yards?
Yeah.
I will let them know. It's first bin over on the left.
Oh, on that side?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, no shit.
Okay, Rem, let's go get our 10 yards. Looks like a Pelco truck behind us. Wonder if it is.
I'm coming out.
Wonder which one of our friends is following us around today, Remy. Okay. Move around to the bunkers and go get our rock.
Beyond dirt truck wants 10 yards of heavy.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Remy, how are your corn nuts? So good? Yeah. Okay, bud. Let me just pay for this and then we'll go deliver it, okay? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's get this address put in and head on out there, bud. And then we can go home and do what you like to do, okay? That wasn't nice. Whoops. Like those lights. Okay, well, we failed a little on that one, Rem. We only got it mostly on the tarp. Dang it.
Looks like you know what you're doing.
I try, but I consider that a fail because I got off the tarp a little.
That's fine. That's good. Thank you.
Okay, run, run. Let's go home, my love. That was a good run, buddy. Which way do you want to go home? No, that way doesn't go home, bud. You want the window up? Up here at this road, we choose left or right. Or I guess right or left. Which way you want to go home? He's like, I don't know. I don't care, Mom. I don't care, Mom. All right, dump truckers. Well, we did our delivery. We are done. We're going home to do what Remy wants to do, which is probably play in his playroom. If you guys haven't yet, please like and subscribe and check out Tim's video if you have not yet. And definitely, if you can, donate or, you know, at least watch his video, a few of his videos, get him some ad revenue. You know, do what you can. I'll see you guys next time.